The conveyor belt is moving at 4 meters per second. If the coefficient of static friction between the conveyor and the 10 kg package is 0.2, determine the shortest time the belt can stop so that the package does not slide on the belt. If it suddenly stops, determine the distance the package will slide on the belt before coming to rest. Let us see. Here is the package on the conveyor belt. Now we have to find out the shortest time the belt can stop. Okay, so that the box should not slide. Here we will write the force equation. What is the force equation? Sigma F is equal to MA. Okay. Now, here what are the forces? F applied minus F friction must be equal to MA. But he is saying that the applied force is 0. Okay. So, minus F friction is equal to MA. And mass is given as 10 kilograms. And then G is equal to 9.8 meters per second square. Okay. And then coefficient of static friction is 0.2. Okay. Now we have to find out the shortest time. For that, what we do is we find out the acceleration. Okay, first friction. Friction, to find the friction, we know F friction is equal to mu Fn. Okay, so we have to write the y direction forces. Suppose if this is the box, then this is Fg, and then this is Fn. Okay, and then this is the direction of the motion. Okay. Now, along the y direction, there is no motion. Therefore, sigma Fy is equal to Fn minus Fg is equal to 0, or Fn is equal to Fg. Okay, we know Fg is equal to mg. Okay, now we know F friction is equal to mu Fn. Therefore, here this is equal to F friction is equal to 0.2 times mg. So 10 into 9.8. So that gives 19.6. Am I right? This is the 2. So 19.6 newtons. Okay. So minus 19.6 newtons is equal to 10 into A. RA is equal to minus 1.96 meters per second square. Okay. Now we have to find out the time. So we use the equation VF is equal to VA plus AT. Ultimately, the box, the conveyor is coming to rest, so this is equal to 0. Initial velocity is 4 meters per second. He already given to us 4 meters per second. Plus acceleration is minus 1.96 meters per second square times t. Okay, therefore, t is equal to 4 by 1.96. That is equal to 2.04 seconds. Okay, and then next we have to find out the second bit. Okay, how to find the second bit? For that, what we do is we use the second equation, kinematic equation. We know now Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2Ad. The second bit, if it suddenly stops, determine the distance the package will slide on the belt before coming to rest. So here again, what we do is Vf is equal to 0, and then Va is equal to 4. So 4 meters per second whole square plus 2 into minus 1.96 times t. Okay, therefore d is equal to 4 square divided by, I will write direct, 4 square is equal to 16 divided by 2 into 1.96. Okay, and when in 4 comes, this will become like this. Okay, minus 2 into 1.96, or I will write like this, you may get confused. 2 into minus 1.96 times d is equal to minus 4 square. Okay, the negative sign goes up and d is equal to this one. So this will give a value of 4.08 meters. Okay, suppose if the conveyor belt come to a stop slowly, then the package will not slide. Suppose if the conveyor belt comes to a sudden stop, then the box will slide. Okay, how much, if suppose it comes to a sudden stop, how much distance the box will slide? That is the second bit. Okay, it will move 4 meters. Okay, that is the answer for this one. Thank you. Bye bye.